Hi guys, you are watching Go IT Center channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can set up a free cybersecurity tool for your company or for your home as well. And through this cybersecurity tool you can scan not only your local computers but also you can scan your cloud servers as well. And the tool name is Nessus. It is the one of the fantastic tool of 2025. So let's start. You can scan Windows machine, Linux machine, whatever type of operating system you want to scan, you can do that. So first of all you have to type Nessus installation. So you will have an official page. Once you click onto the official page, you will have this link, then you have to click onto the download. Once you click onto the download, you will have this page, and then here you have to select your operating system. I'm going to install it on Ubuntu 24.04, and where it is, Ubuntu 24.04. Click on that and then click onto the download by curl, and then you have to copy that. I have already opened my fresh Ubuntu server. This server is 24.04, and this is the fresh Ubuntu. So if you didn't watch my video that how we can set up the Ubuntu server, so you can go into the description. I already put the link over there. Then you have to paste onto the SSH session and then hit enter. So it will be downloaded within 5 to 10 seconds, not more than that. It is pretty much simple to set up. And once you download it, check the directory. So this is the file, and now we have to go onto the this, and we have to click onto the Debian, Kali and Ubuntu. So you will have this command. You have to copy on only this portion, because the rest of the thing we will copy and paste into the from the SSH terminal. Then click on that, right click, then space, then you have to paste here, and then you have to run it. So it will not take more than 5 to 10 seconds and it will be done. So wait for a second. Yes, it is done. So now we have to run the service of Nessus. So service has been started. If you want to check out the status, so you can check that the service is running. So it's done. So now let me open the remote terminal of my local network. So now you have to click on that, open the browser, type https column /192.168.10.225 is my Linux server IP where we have installed Nessus. So, and you have to give port 8834. That's it. Once you click that, the terminal will be open. You have to click onto the advanced and then proceed. Once you proceed, so you can see that Nessus has been installed successfully, but now it need to install different types of plugins, built-in plugins. So it will take 20 to 25 minutes, but initially we have to set up it. Wait for a second, it is being initialized. So upgrading the database. Wait for a second. Now it is done. So no need to click onto the offline, just continue, and you have to go onto the register for Nessus Essential. So it is absolutely free for 15 IPs, so you can scan your local machines and cloud machines whenever you want. So other options will require licenses, so you have to click on this, and it is more than sufficient for your cybersecurity audit. So just you have to click onto the essential, then continue, then you have to give the name, then you have to give the email ID, and then register. So once you register, you can see that activation code is this. So it is already done. So just you have to, once you put your information, you will get automatic activation code, so no need to worry about that. Just you have to click, and then you have to set the password, then submit. So once you submit, it will start downloading of plugins. So once the plugins is downloaded, then the environment will be opened, and once the environment is open, after that the plugins will be compiled and installed into their respective directories. So it would take around 20-25 minutes, so I'm going to stop this video, otherwise video will get longer. So I resume video shortly once it's done. Welcome back. Nessus has been set up, and it was downloading, and now it has been downloaded successfully. Keep remember, after downloading this environment will be appeared in front of you, but still plugin will be installed in at the back end, and you will see a round option over here which will show you that it is being installed. So after downloading the plugin, once the environment will appear in front of you, you have to wait at least 30 minutes more. Once you have this type of pop-up, it means Nessus has been installed successfully and ready to use. So close, and now we can create a folder. Let's say if you have multiple departments like finance, HR, and other departments, so if you want to segregate departments, so you can create a folder. Since I'm going to test a single PC in front of you, so I don't need to create any folder, but for your understanding I'm going to create it. Let's say HR. Folder has been created, you can see that. Now I'm going for the new scan. Now I'm going for the basic network essential. Now you have couple of options over here, you can test one by one. You have malware scan as well, and some of the options will require upgrade, but these all options that are more than sufficient for your uh, local and cloud-based security. These options are more than sufficient, so I'm going to scan in front of you basic network scan. I'm going to do basic network scan in front of you, so I'm going to click on it. Once I clicked on it, I have to click onto the advanced. Then we have to click onto the discovery. Here we have to select scan all ports, because we are going to scan all the ports. We will close the vulnerable ports on, and it will also scan all the relevant vulnerabilities in your computer, in your local computer or on your cloud. So once you done it, you have to select all ports. Then you have to come on to the basics. Then you have to give it the name. Let's say I'm giving the test. Then you have to assign target. So target is basically Windows 11 machine. I'm going to scan my local machine, which is a Windows 11 machine, 192 192.168.10.67. Once you type the IP, you have to save it. Now you have to go into the HR. You can see that system is ready and scan type is vulnerability. Just you have to play the button. Now take the cup of coffee and take rest, because this process will take around 20-25 minutes. System scan, you can see that it is running. So I'm going to stop this video. Once the cybersecurity audit report will be ready, I will resume this video and I will show you the report of vulnerabilities. It is scanning in front of you. You can see that. So system has been scanned, and now I'm going to click onto the report. So you can see that there are vulnerabilities. So we don't have any critical vulnerability, we don't have any high vulnerability, we have medium level vulnerability and low level vulnerability, and we can ignore information. It's just information, and it is just for awareness, so you can ignore the information. And even you can also ignore the low vulnerability. Most of the cases we have to focus onto the critical, high and medium level. So your audit report is ready, and you can send to your boss audit report. And if you have a client over the Upwork or freelancer, so you can perform audit and send the audit report to your client. Once you click on it, you can see that ignore this vulnerability low, no need to worry about that. Come and then 25 vulnerability. Then you have these vulnerabilities, and you can also extract the report. It should show the higher vulnerability, but it is not showing the page. I don't see it because it is the upgraded version, so maybe it is here, there, I'm not sure about it. So let's export the report. Report has been exported. Let's export the second Nessus DB report. Ignore it and just report. Click onto the report, and then you have to click onto the complete list of vulnerability by host. So you have to select this report, and then I think I have to minimize the screen, because of I have to minimize the screen. Let me minimize it. minimize it. Now we are going for the report. Yes, this is the option. Now generate the report. Once you generate the report, it will be downloaded. Then double click on it. So you can see that you have a professional report. You have 5 medium level vulnerabilities and 1 low level vulnerability. And if you click on the show more, so you can see that you have SMB vulnerability required. SMMB, it's basically sharing related vulnerability, sharing file system. It basically belongs to the sharing file system. And other one is the TLS. And TLS, it is the important one because hacker can attack, because you have lowest encryption technique at the moment. So hacker can attack you and can hack your system. So this is the fantastic report. You can see that, and you can send to your boss, and definitely your boss will be impressed. So that's all about today's video, and I will create one more video tomorrow, and that will be the part 2. In that part we will fix all these vulnerabilities, because once you send the report to your boss, definitely boss will ask you, or client will ask you to solve these vulnerabilities as well. So I will create one more video. In that video we will fix all these vulnerability in real time. So I'm going to stop this video right now, and I will make one more video tomorrow, and we will fix face to face all vulnerabilities in front of you. So you will become cybersecurity expert in just 2 videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. Bye bye.